You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. In today's video, I'll be looking at BTC USDT price analysis, and I'll also be talking about BNB USDT price analysis. If you watch my previous video, I talked about BTC USDT and I figured out a divergence around this area, which do occur and markets go right up as analyzed. And then I use the stochastic. I just want to show you guys something very important so that you can also use this to position yourself very well. So I will figure a divergence right here and market went right up. From this area, this way we see the divergence on the chart right here and on the indicator, and market go right up. And I also talk about this very area as a resistance that will resist the market to go down, and we are seeing right here also. So if you take a look at solar charts, that is SOL USDT chart right here, you discover I also talk about this very analysis and how you can get into the market and take a position. And you see the market has been riding up since that time, and this is $101 in price right now. And the question is it overbought right now? Can you still buy SOL for long-term holding? For right now, I would advise you wait a little bit for a little bit of correction to the downside before you can actually take a position, because if you look at the stochastic here, you see the market heading right up, but very soon it will give a little bit of pullback to this very region of 91 to 94 level before it will ride up. I also advise that you hold Solana for a long time because it's going to do very well. I also in the VIP signal group where I review my portfolio, where the coins that I have actually holding for a long time, they are about 9 in numbers, and these coins have incredible results where you can make a whole lot of money. So for today analysis, I will be looking at BTC USDT, and I also do analysis on BNB USDT as well. So if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And one of the ways you can actually help this channel to grow is to share the video, give a like, and leave a comment below. Okay, so right now on BTC USDT, we see the market has been ranging within this area. Now something very important that you need to figure out on this very chart is this is the area of consolidation. You have to understand that if BTC break above this very area, if you see a breakout of this very level, and want to see a bullish close above this very line that I drew right here, want to see a bullish close, then that means Bitcoin is going to ride up, and that will open the door for the next altcoin season. That means most altcoins are going to do well. If we stay longer within this level, if we stay longer within this consolidation zone, then that means there is a high probability of the market correcting to the downside. But if the bulls take control of the market quickly and break this level, then that means that the market is going to go up. That's my own directional bias right now on BTC. So the thing is, you can still hold your Bitcoin for now until you see a breakout of this very level of $46,000. Okay, that is when you cannot think of selling some of your holdings. Not people holding for a long time. If you are a short time holder, then you can sell a little bit, waiting for the market to come back right down a little bit before you can now buy back at a lower price. So that is that for Bitcoin. So this level is very important. The longer it stays here, the high probability of the market coming down. Then the shorter time it stays here, the high probability for the market to break out to the upside. If the market goes down from here, then all altcoin is going to go down. Remember, you have to look at Ethereum, because Ethereum is the major leading factor for altcoin seasons that we've seen happen in the market over the years. So if the market is coming down, where should you expect retracement to stop, where they expect it to stop, so that we can figure it out with the Fibonacci retracement level here. And from this very area, we discover this is the first area, the 0.38 to this very point is a very critical area to take a look at. That is the 41 and 42 to 43 levels. These are areas where you should expect the market to hold, and also 0.23 level, and the most important level is the 0.618 level right here. So these are the level. The first one is this, the second one is this level, and the third one is this level. So as the market is going back down, use some momentum trading to figure out where the market is going to go, looking at these different levels. Okay, so that is that for BTC USDT chart. Very important. My own directional bias is for the market to break out very fast. If it does, then the next 4 minutes is going to come in line with it. And then if the market goes down, that means all altcoins are also going to go right down as well. So then the next one here is BNB USDT analysis. BNB USDT right here, you see the market has been going right up from this very area. That is, we see the market at 260 USD right up to this very point of $518, and the market is correcting right now. So where should you expect this correction to stop? All right, so if I use my trend line and draw this level here out, if I draw this trend line out very well, now, so if the market is coming down, I expect the market to pause this area. So if I use my markup and horizontal level here, then the second area I am expecting the market to pause as well for the next impulse is this area as well. Okay, so these two levels are very, very important for this correction. So if BTC drops, that is, if we see the BA take control of the market, then we want to see BNB drop right down. The first level is this area, and the second level is this area. So when the market is going back down, we want to see the market hit this line, and when it comes to this level, we want to see a retracement to the upside right here. Market should go up. And then these support, not resistance right here, and then you see the market go right down to this level, and then here should be where the major correction should end. If this level did not hold the market to the upside, so if you see a drastic drop in Bitcoin, then this is the first level that the market should hold before we see a retracement. Then the market should probably go down if there is more drop in BTC. Once this trend line breaks, then just know that BNB is going to go right down. So this is the possible buy area, this is another possible buy area, and then if you look at the stochastic finally, if you look at the stochastic right here, you see something very important as well. You see the market is already at oversold condition. I'm on the 4-hour chart here. The market is already at oversold condition. So if the market continues down, we'll see the stochastic remain around the oversold condition. And then when it's coming at the oversold condition, that is when you should buy. That will probably be this very level and this very level. These depend on if Bitcoin goes right down on the BTC USD chart, and if that happens, then we should see all other coins go right down as well. So thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. Now, if you want to enroll for my intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, check the contact in the description of this video and get in touch with me immediately. And if you've not registered on OKX or Binance, check the description of this video as well, and you see the link and do your registration right away. Don't forget to leave a like for this video, give a thumbs for this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Check the channel also for other informative content. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.